Hello everyone, welcome to next video on linked list. In the first video, I have explained what is linked list and why we go for the linked list. Then two types of linked list like singly linked list and doubly linked list. In singly linked list, we contain only one link that contains the address of the next node, whereas in doubly linked list, it contains two link. One link contains address of the next node and another link that contain the address of the previous node. Then different types of linked list, as I told, singly, doubly, then circular singly, then circular doubly linked list. Then uh, we have seen how to insert an element into the linked list. In order to insert the element, what we required first, there should be an empty list should be created by using that node structure variable. Then we once empty list is available, then we required a get node function for creating the node into the list. Uh, then if it is available, that will be created. Then how to insert the element into the list and how to delete an variable. These all condition we have seen in the first video. Then today I will be explaining the second function, that is deleting an element from the queue. In order to delete an element from the deleting an element from the list, in order to delete an element from the list, always we required the first condition to be checked is that whether the list is empty or not. So in all the list, the first node will be held by which variable? The first variable. If first is equal to null, by default it is an empty list. Then no need to go for the deleting any element. If it is not true, then only we go for the next case. So in the second step, what we do, if I'm going to delete this first node, then this link will be provided to the second node. For that sake, I'm going to store this first into and temporary variable. Okay, if I delete this, then link will be left blank. It is not possible. Not to make that link will be held by some variable, to that condition I'm taking temp. So copy that first node into the temp, then obtain address of the second node. How to get the address second node? Earlier it is first equal to first pointer link. Now it is temp equal to temp pointer link, because first hold by which variable? Temp variable. Once the link has been established, then we can delete the element. So first display the content of that first node. uh, Delete the element of first node is 50. How to delete it? Printf item deleted equal to percentage d, where the element is available, first pointer info, that I'm going to delete. So delete that 50, then free the first node will be freed, that is be removed. Then uh, earlier it is first, now it becomes the temporary node. So return temp value. That temp will be held by which variable? First variable. So return that temp. So similarly, all those functions are written in a single function node. Always node, whenever you call node, that type def structure will get work. Then node will contain both the fields will be designed. Then node first will obtain the first node is created. Then in that case, node temp. Whenever I call node temp, the temp node with the both information and link field is been created. Okay, if first equal to null, as I told, it is empty. If it is not empty, then make use of temp equal to first, and copy that first to temp, then move the pointer from temp to next it contain next address, so that temp equal temp pointer link. Delete the element, free first, return temp, by making use of all four cases written in a single function. Then displaying the elements of an list, like here also we check for whether the list is empty or not, like we are done for the delete. Then if it contain the element, go for displaying all the elements of an list. So what I'm taking is that I am copying one more variable, current. So this current will be moves one after the other after reading each element from the list. So if I'm taking current equal to first, so current will be positioned to the first node. So printf percentage d current pointer info 20 will be displayed. Then after displaying the first node, the current has to move to the next one. Current equal to current pointer link. It will come to the next node. So current will position to the next node now. Again, current equal to current pointer info 30 will be displayed. Uh, the current will move to next one. Current equal to current pointer link. Up to where you have to do the operation. For that, we need to check one condition until the current pointer link reaches to the null. When it reaches to the null, we have to stop the iteration. So I have to check it. Check for end of the list while current not equal to null. Whenever current reaches to the null, we have to stop it. Okay. So if first equal to null, same thing, empty. In order to display the content of an string, what I'm writing here, I have to write content of single linked list. If current not equal to null, until that you have to display all the elements of an list. So percentage d current pointer info. The current will be updated to the next node until it becomes null. Okay. So at the end you have to display uh, all the values like one by one. This is how the display of an operation works. Display of a linked list. So I have taken current not equal to null here. So whenever this get updated, current equal to current pointer link, which holds the address of next link. So whenever it is to the this at this point, if I'm to display next one, current equal to current pointer link, by default it move to the next one. That time only it reaches to the null value. So when we go for the displaying the last value, it becomes null only. Current, if it is equal to null, stop the iteration. Already we displayed all the items like 20, 30, 10 also displayed. Come out of that loop, exit the condition. Now what is the latest value of current is? Current position I can say if it is at 0, 1, now it is 2, which has is set current equal to 2 now. Like this how display condition get works. Okay, so go through these two video, and in the next interaction class I am going to solve the queries on it. Okay, thank you.